Do you use sport bands on your Apple Watch, but you're struggling to find a good one? I might have the thing for you. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So I use the Nike Edition Apple Watch. I have used this is the Series 4. I've used it for a long time and I still don't have a reason to change it. But what I do struggle with is watch bands. Now, I have a couple of the Nike Edition watch straps, which I really like. They're rugged, they're silicone, and they give me that sort of durability, which I really love. Now, I have struggled to find an alternative to this watch band, and while I'm happy to pay the price that this watch band is, I'm looking for something that is a bit of an alternative, and I've struggled for a long time, but now I can finally say I have found something that is really good, and it is thanks to the guys at Nomad. I have found a great watch band. So these are the Nomad sport straps, which are very good, and they come in a good selection of colours. I have here the ash green and the lunar grey. I did want to get the blue one, but I couldn't really justify 3 sports bands at 45 quid each plus shipping. Saying that, before anybody loses their mind, that's how much you'll pay for an Apple Nike Edition strap. So it is what it is. Now again, I'm not sure, I maybe am an edge case in this, but I have tried a lot of different aftermarket copy watch bands, and they never last me any length of time. You know, the quality of the material is poor, it breaks, and then you're having to buy multiple. So the way I figure it is, if you buy something good once, you'll not have to replace it. You buy cheap, you buy twice, or sometimes thrice. So let's get a look at these. So their packaging is pretty awesome. So that's the ash green. You know, kind of like an army green kind of thing. I like it. It's different, and I'm not really a green person, to be fair. So, and this is the lunar grey, which I think is my favourite. As you can see, I have a white band, so I sort of like those lighter colours. I really did want to get the blue, but I kind of forced myself to get something different, and that's why I got the green. So I think maybe the next one I'll get will be blue. And these, the quality of these straps is unbelievable. I cannot fault them whatsoever. And for something that is in around the same money as the Apple Nike Edition ones, I'm okay with that, to be honest. I would rather buy something that's good and have it, rather than buy something that's not good and then replace it all the time. So yeah, let's just get this fitted. Apple Watch straps are so easy to fit. And then look at the details there, like the Nomad on the metal clasp and stuff. I really like that. It's the little things and these sorts of products which I really love. Oh yeah. That is awesome. I think I have a new favourite strap. What do you guys think? And then we'll try the green one as well. Yeah, that's nice too, isn't it? And that's the beauty with Apple Watch straps as well. If you wanted to be adventurous, you know, you could do half grey, half green, you know, which is pretty cool. I've seen a lot of people do that with Apple Watch straps, especially with these ones, these Nike Edition ones. I've seen people putting on, say, a black one and then a white one, or a blue one, or that kind of thing. So it's different, and it gives you options, and you can sort of mix it up, but still maintain the same finish and that sort of thing. One thing I will say is on this strap, the difference being, see with the Nike Edition straps, as you can see, there's all these different holes in the strap, which means you have a magnitude of fitments. And let's be honest, if you can't find a fitment for one of these straps, you're not going to find a strap that's going to fit you at all. The options in this were really good, and that's why I've always liked these straps. Now, What I have found with a lot of other cheaper variants of watch straps is with these, for fitment wise, for me personally, it's either been too tight or too loose, and that's always put me off as well, and it always makes me go back to the Nike Edition strap because I just know I'll get that perfect fit. Why wouldn't you want a perfect fit in your watch? And I will say with the Nomad, the fitment on this here, for me personally, is absolutely perfect. This is the medium large strap, and it is literally like where I have that fitted now. It's not too tight and it's not too loose. It's just right. What do you guys use on your Apple Watch? Let me know down below. What straps do you use? Do you use Apple straps? Do you use the likes of the Nomads? What do you use? Let me know down below, because I would love to hear some alternatives that aren't, you know, the ones that I've mentioned. There's maybe one out there that I haven't found, so I would love to hear it in the comments down below. So let me know down below, guys. And that about wraps it up for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, do those 3 things for me. Hit that like button. Helps me massively on the channel, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Massively helps me out. We're on the road to 1,000 subs, and as soon as we get there, I'm going to do another tech giveaway. I can't wait to do another tech giveaway. So yeah, you know what you need to do: like, comment, share, and subscribe. Yes, please. Until the next one, guys. I'll catch you later.